We're seeing the rand weakening slightly today ahead of this very, very important GDP numbers coming out at 11:30. What sense are you getting in terms of how players are positioning themselves in the market ahead of the release of those numbers?
Well, the rand traded in a very narrow range of about 7.11 to 7.16 against the dollar yesterday on the back of a lack of fresh stimulus, as well as the unwillingness of participants to take a stance ahead of tomorrow's budget speech. However, after 3 successive days of rand short coverings, rand bull seems to have run out of momentum. And should the GDP numbers not come out higher on the top side, we could see the rand trading at about 7.20 to 7.25 ahead of tomorrow's budget numbers.
Yeah. In your books, what number on those GDP numbers that we're expecting will trigger the thought in participants' mind that we could potentially be looking at a quicker tightening of interest rates than the market is anticipated?
Well, our expectations are for GDP to come in at about 5.2% quarter on quarter. Should those numbers surprise on the downside, we could see the SARB possibly tightening sooner than expected. However, at this stage, Standard Bank is of the view that interest rates will only be raised in the first quarter of 2012.
And a forecast of 5.2% is rather at the top end of the market. In terms of 2010 overall, what numbers are you looking at?
We're expecting growth to come in at about 2.8% for this year and edging marginally higher to about 3.7% in 2012.
Yeah, but in terms of the overall monetary policy, the GDP numbers today, what's your sense in terms of what participants, other than yourselves of course, would anticipate would come out of the numbers that would change monetary policy overall?
Well, in terms of other participants, I'm not quite sure, but Standard Bank is of the view that the manufacturing sector, the mining sector and the trade sectors as well is likely to contribute positively towards these GDP numbers. However, if we fail to see this, we could see GDP come in slightly lower than the 2.8% that we envisage, and that could potentially prompt the SARB to change its stance on its growth numbers at this stage.
Yeah. Today I saw one of the banks is forecasting a range of 710 to 720. What is your range for the day?
Indeed, ours is about 720 to 725 as well. However, that's based on the fact that the numbers surprised to the top side. Well, not to the top side, I'm sorry. The numbers do come in slightly positive. If they do come in a little bit more negative than what we expect, we could see that range go slightly up in the short term.
Yeah, of course, all this trading is taking place at a time when the market is awaiting for the finance minister to come in with his budget speech tomorrow. And also we've got PP numbers coming out later on this week. Just in terms of importance and also just in terms of how players view the budget tomorrow, what's your sense in terms of where the rand is likely to trade should the minister come in with a few surprises?
Should the minister come in with a few surprises, we could potentially see the rand weaker. However, if those surprises are in favor of the South African consumer and the South African economy as a whole, we could see a further rand strength coming in over the next couple of days.